Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In today's video, sharing with you all another 4-bed detached property, and this is from Taylor Wimpey. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. The location details are shared in here. For further queries, you can contact their website. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor we have a beautiful living room, kitchen with dining and a water closet. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common bathroom. A garage is included in the property which is not shown in the floor plan. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious hall in front of you with all the partitions. Towards your right side there's a small room with door and lock. This has got the mains in it. You can see the hall leading to upstairs, kitchen and dining at the back, and also the living room. So let's start with the living room first. A spacious lounge with good comfort, design and ventilation. 2 to 3 sofa sets fit in easily and there's plenty of room space to walk around. You can enjoy the street view through these front-facing windows, which keep you lively. Overall, a well-designed, beautiful living room. Now let's move to the other rooms of the house. Now as you come out of the living room, towards your right side, you'll see the space under the staircase given. There's also a small room given in here. This can be used as the clock room. Now towards the opposite side, you have the washroom in the ground floor. This has got the water closet and sink. Now moving towards the kitchen and dining spaces. So this is the beautiful kitchen with dining. You have kitchen completely given towards one side and the dining spaces towards the other side. You can also see the garden access through the kitchen here from the French doors. The boiler is fitted in here. And you have plenty of cupboards both at the bottom and even on the top. You get branded gas hob, exhaust, everything fitted in. If you want to go for the upgraded version of these granite tops, you can check with them. Towards the other side, you have the integrated oven, fridge and freezer fitted in. I like the way they manage the space here by giving this integrated fridge and freezer towards this side, because the other side it looks very spacious. So you can have the dining table towards the other end. 6 to 8 chairs fit in easily. So very good space. And as you can see, you also have the garden access through these French doors here. There's a beautiful garden outside, but at the moment we cannot access it. I like the space here in between. You can actually go for a coffee table or just leave it blank like this. It looks very nice. And later I realized that there's a room behind this. It's a utility. You have the space for the washing machine and dryer given in here. It's a nice idea to have a small utility beside your kitchen. This is all about the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. As I told you, on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a family bathroom. After a long time I'm seeing a corridor with good space. It really looks nice. So let's begin with the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom of the house. It's got the ensuite facilities. After having the double cot fitted in, you have good room space to walk around. You have windows given towards one side, so very good ventilation. The space also looks quite okay, because again, once you own a property, it totally depends on you how you manage and arrange things. You can actually create your own space. In show homes, to give you an idea, they normally provide these inbuilt cupboards, but it totally depends on you whether you want to go for this kind of inbuilt cupboards or not in the bedroom. If you feel the space is less, you can avoid them. You can arrange these kind of inbuilt cupboards in other rooms. Now towards the other side, you have the bathroom. Here you have the walk-in shower, water closet and also sink. So this is all about the master bedroom of the house. Now moving towards the other rooms. Just beside the master bedroom, you have the smallest bedroom. This can be used as the kids' room, computer room, storeroom, anything you want to. It's still got a beautiful window towards one side. So very good ventilation. Now after coming out of this room, if you walk ahead, you'll find the family bathroom in between. This has got a decent space again. You have the bathtub, water closet and the sink. As you can see, this is a fully tiled bathroom. You can choose your own tiles and your own preferred colors to make it look more beautiful. So beside this family bathroom, you have the third bedroom of the house. This is the double bedroom. So a double cot fits in and you have good room space to walk around. There's again a very pretty window given towards one side, so good ventilation. You also have space for your inbuilt cupboards to be fitted in here. So a lot of storage can go inside. Overall, a decent room. So now let's move towards the fourth bedroom of the house. Small and sweet bedroom. This is actually smaller than the third bedroom, but still it looks nice. It's all because of the space management, I believe. Towards one side you have the pretty windows, so very good ventilation. And towards the other side you can see these inbuilt cupboards. I like this kind of inbuilt cupboards which are not projected outside. So this actually doesn't waste the space. Everything is given inside, you can't even make out. So a lot of storage goes inside and the room still looks spacious. It's a nice idea. So it can be used as a kids' room, computer room, study, whatever you want to. You can enjoy the garden views through this window here. It's quite relaxing. Overall, a beautiful room and a beautiful house. We covered all the rooms in this property. As I mentioned in the beginning, we also have a garage coming with this property. So now we'll go out and explore the garage and the outside area. So this is the front portion of the house. As you can see, there's a beautiful garden in the front, which leads to the garage. This is all about today's property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.